Are you tired of having to look up patch names for your synth? Wouldn't it be easier to have them already programmed into bars and pipes? Well, here's how to do it. From the main screen, right-click, choose Windows, and select Define, and then Patch Lists. The dialog shown here is simple to understand. Add lets you add the name of the synthesizer you're using. Select lets you choose a synth if you're using more than one. And Remove obviously lets you delete a synth. I'll do a quick example to get you going. Click on Add and then click where it says Synth. Enter the name of your synthesizer and hit Enter. This is useful if you're running more than one synth. Click after the 0 and type the name of the first instrument in your synthesizer's listing. Here, I'm entering grand piano, which is typically the first instrument in the general MIDI format. Press Enter. See how easy that was. Once you're done, close the patch list window. Make sure you save the song file. It's best if you save this to your default songs so that it's always there when you're ready to rock and roll.